without even falling off. Gotta be compatible. Takes me to my limits. Now, girl, when I break you off, I promise that you won't wanna get off with the morning. Let's do it. Tonight, I'm broken. My shadows waiting. I'm coming. Jump out it. If you're horny, let's do it. We're fighting. My holding. My shadows waiting. I'm coming. Jump out it. Sitting there frosted. Leaving your seal. Just once if I had the chance, the things I would do to you. Now you in your body, every single portion, sending chills up and down your spine, juices flowing down your thighs. Now if you're horny, let's do it. Sit right in, my holding, my shadows, I'm coming, jump on it. If you're horny, let's do it. I'm riding, my holding, my shadows, waiting. I'm coming, jump on it. Jump on it. Little R&B flavor for you folks. Y'all can get closer now. Break it down, break it down. Here we go. Now if you wanna get nasty, baby, then first we'll show it. Until I reach your ponytail. Yeah. Work all over it through you, baby. Till I reach down to the street. Till you be on my jacket, till you my jacket. Yeah.